If your organization has ever been through an audit, well, then you know this feeling. It starts with a simple request. Can you please provide us the evidence for this? Which sounds pretty straightforward, but within minutes, the scrambling begins. Someone is searching through emails, someone else is digging through folders, and someone opens a spreadsheet that hasn't been updated in months. Everyone then starts asking the same questions. Where is the evidence? Who has the latest policy? Were those outstanding actions actually completed? The information exists, the evidence is there, but the problem is that it's scattered across multiple systems, departments, and people. So today, I'm going to show you how to solve it with a complete audit management system. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we have helped hundreds of businesses streamline and automate their business using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. Today, we are taking a look at a complete audit management solution. This solution gives compliance teams, auditors, operation managers, and executives a single place to plan audits, track findings, collect evidence, and monitor progress in one connected platform. Throughout this walkthrough, I'll show you how each part of the solution works together, from executive dashboards to audit planning, through to evidence collection, quality assurance, and audit observations. You'll also see how bringing everything into one central solution, one audit management system, strengthens visibility, improves accountability, and makes it much easier for you and your organization to stay audit ready throughout the entire year. So whether you're currently managing audits with spreadsheets, juggling multiple disconnected systems, or looking for a better way to manage your compliance program, you better keep watching. Now, at the center of this solution is SmartSuite, a flexible work management platform that brings every part of the audit process together in one secure place. So let's jump into SmartSuite and take a look at how this audit management solution works. The first thing you'll notice is that this isn't a collection of documents, spreadsheets, folders, and files. It's a complete audit management solution where every stage of the audit lifecycle is connected, giving everyone, no matter their position or role, auditors, executives, whoever, they get the same single source of truth. Now, we'll start with the executive dashboard because this is where leadership gets a snapshot, an instant snapshot into the health of your audit program. From here, you can quickly identify overdue audits. We've got issues, audit results, and down here, we've also got the overall progress. Now, rather than digging through reports or waiting for weekly updates, executives can immediately see the health of their audits here. And having this level of visibility means they can identify risks early, allocate resources where needed, and make better decisions based on real-time information. Now, we do have other dashboards up at the top here, which show us other information, but dashboards are only valuable because of the information behind them. So let's look at where it all begins. Up here, we'll select auditable units because every audit starts by defining what you're actually auditing. And that's exactly what auditable units table is designed for. A unit could be a department, a business process, a control framework, an application, a supplier even, or perhaps a specific requirement for something like HIPAA compliancy or SOC 2. Now, rather than keeping these in disconnected documents or spreadsheets or systems, every unit is managed centrally with an assigned owner, priority, due dates, and current status. What this does is it creates a structured inventory of everything your organization needs to audit throughout the year. There's no nasty surprises. And it also provides the foundation for planning future audits and understanding your overall audit coverage. Now, once you've identified what needs to be audited, well, the next step is defining how it will be assessed. And that's where audit procedures come in. Each procedure documents the specific process, who they're assigned to, when they were last reviewed, and which auditable unit they're actually related to. Standardizing your procedures like this creates consistency, which is a benefit for any organization currently going through auditing. And with your procedures in place, what's it time to do? Time to build the audit plan. Here we can see this is where the organizations schedule upcoming audits, assign owners, define timelines, and monitor the overall progress throughout the year. Again, rather than managing multiple spreadsheets, docs, or files, we've got a single source of truth. Everything is tracked centrally. You can instantly see which audits are planned, currently active, approved, or still sitting in draft. along with the actual progress indicators, which make it easy to understand exactly where a specific audit stands. This table, it allows us to build out dashboards for managers or leadership who need to oversee multiple audit programs. It provides them complete visibility without needing to get into the weeds, chase individual teams, or ask people for updates. When the audit actually begins, it's kickoff time, it moves into an audit engagement, this table here. Think of this like an operational workspace where the audit is actually carried out and the tasks are completed. Each engagement tracks the audit type, current phase, the assigned auditor, results, supporting work papers, the overall status of the audit. We can also see whether the engagement is still being planned, in field work, under review, or complete. Everyone involved has access to the same information, the same visibility, which creates a complete audit trail from beginning to end. And having that complete audit trail, well, I don't think I need to tell you how important that is and how helpful it is. But let's quickly talk about the challenges. One of the biggest challenges in any audit is collecting evidence. I myself, I'm sure we have been there. Instead of searching through emails, Google Drives, or shared folders, every piece of supporting evidence is stored alongside the audit itself. Here we can see documents, reports, screenshots, policies, certs, any supporting files, they can all be linked directly to the central auditing system, which means when an internal or external auditor requests evidence, everything is here already organized, which means it's easy to retrieve and even easier to hand over. No last minute scrambling, no uncertainty over document versions, just complete traceability from requirement through to supporting evidence. Not only that, with a Smart Suite, we have the ability to set automation so that our team can get notifications when an audit has begun, when evidence is missing, or when things are overdue. And what makes this solution so effective isn't any one single feature. It's the fact that we have the entire audit process recorded and connected from beginning to end. As you have seen throughout this walkthrough, an effective audit management system is about much more than just tracking documents. It's about connecting your audit plans, procedures, evidence, findings, and reporting into one structured auditable system. And that's where a platform like Smart Suite really shines. Its relational database architecture allows every part of the audit lifecycle to work together seamlessly, while built-in permissions, automations, reporting, and activity history provide the governance and visibility that compliance teams rely on. Could a secure solution like this be built on another platform? Certainly. There are other flexible work management tools out there that could support this build, like Airtable. What makes Smart Suite stand out is that this audit management solution is already available for you as a professionally designed template. That means less time designing a system, faster implementation, and more time focused on what really matters, maintaining compliance and staying audit ready every day. If you'd like to learn more about this audit management solution, I've made sure to leave the template in the description of this video. But if you're looking for help to get your organization set up and audit ready, well, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I've actually left another link in the description where you can book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts at Automation Helpers. So go ahead and book your free consultation today.